Do you or someone you know suffer from funky smells or depressing air fresheners? Well, now that can be a thing in the past with our cute kitty air fresheners. The pack of air fresheners comes shipped to your door with 12 whole kitty air fresheners. There's 6 different designs and 2 of each. This makes for a perfect pack to buy and give out as gifts.
Hi there. I like your cat air freshener. Thank you. This cat air freshener made my day.
Someone compliments your air freshener, boom, you got a duplicate and you can make their day. I opened a couple up and hung them over my set. There's 3 different scents of air fresheners for you to choose from. This includes ocean, lavender, and white tea. Each one has a different feel and smell. They're really unique. The fragrant and elegant smell is uplifting and brings a nice smell to the room. I hung it up in our Jeep, and the elastic string makes it so you can easily hang it over your mirror. It smells nice and looks so cute swinging in the wind while I drive. Even after the smell is gone, I'm going to keep them hanging up somewhere. They're just so fun to look at. We even went as far as to hang one over the litter box. Now we have the perfect poopery and the nice smelling cat corner. These air fresheners smell good and are even durable. So if you'd like to get a pack for yourself or for gifts for friends, then please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go watch the kitty air freshener swing from my mirror. See ya.